Yo, you got a mic. What's going on, guys? Back here with another banger video. And in today's video, we are going to be bringing back the 2D figure series. And in today's video, we have set 5. And we are starting to branch out from Invincible. I made most of the Invincible verse. So now I'm moving on to the big two comics, Marvel and DC. This set is Marvel focused. Set 6 will also probably be Marvel focused. And then from there, I don't really know. So yeah, let's just get into these guys right now. So first up, we got Marvel's Golden Boy, Spider-Man. Da-da-da. So you may notice a few things. First of all, no webbing. Second of all, the emblem is kind of smudged. Because, not gonna lie, I rushed these a little bit. Because I wanted to finish, because I had 2 pages, I wanted to finish them all today. And I did that. So I speed ran it. And I also didn't make any webs. But the webs just kind of overcomplicated, I think. The only flaw with this is I smudged the emblem. But it's good enough, okay? Next up, we have Hulk smash. We got Incredible Hulk. He looks pretty good. My lighting is kind of cooked. What's going on with my lighting? Alright. So we got Hulk. I gave him the purple shorts. They're usually brighter purple, but I didn't have the right marker, so I just used plum. But yeah. He still looked tough. Then to finish the Marvel Trinity, we got Wolverine in the 90s animated series outfit. And I tried to make them height-based. So like Wolverine is shorter than Spider-Man. Because Wolverine is canonically a short king. Now that we got the Marvel Trinity out of the way, let's get into the next Trinity. Starting it off with Iron Man, who kind of looks chopped. Because I learned this about my marker set. I have Crayola markers. The golden yellow is literally just cheese curd orange. And I used it on him, and I don't know why I didn't learn my lesson. Because I used it on another character who's not in the set, but will be in the next set. And I'll probably talk about that when I review that figure. But yeah, golden yellow, just call it cheese curd orange at that point, bro. It's nowhere near gold, nowhere near yellow. It's literally just cheese curd orange. Alright. And also, I shouldn't have made the arc reactor and all of his like glowing parts blue. Probably should have just left them white, or maybe given them like a slight hint of blue. Not as much blue as I did right there. Next up, we got Thor. And this is like a very... I mean, Thor has so many looks that I just chose one that looked cool enough. So he has Mjolnir, and he has his helmet, the big flowing cape. And you probably know where this Trinity is going. Finally, we got Captain America. Yep, his face is kind of chopped. I don't know why his nostrils are flaring that much, but it's fine. So, obviously, we got the MCU Trinity here. Captain America. Last 2 characters. I think this is the best looking character in this set. Black Panther with the blue outlines. Tell me this isn't straight aura. Like, and I wanted to use his old design where he had the collar cape thing. Like, this is his toughest design. I don't care what anybody says. Rip Chadwick Boseman, but this is just straight freaking aura. I wanted to add him in the set just because, like, I don't know, if he was introduced earlier in the Marvel Universe and he was in the Avengers, like, in Age of Ultron, he would be in, like, it would be like a holy squad instead of Trinity. Alright, so we got Black Panther. He easily looks the toughest out of this whole set. And finally, we got the Avengers main villain, who had the worst Avengers movie, unfortunately. Ultron. Yeah. And yes, Ultron is the main Avengers villain. I don't care what anyone says. He's the main Avengers villain. At least in the comics. Obviously, in the movies, that's a different story. But I don't want to say he was underutilized in the movie, but they could have made multiple movies off of him, probably. Or at least set him up in the first Avengers movie and finish him in Age of Ultron. So yeah, this is set number 6. And this is starting the Big 3 comic dynasty. Okay, I can't say all these out, but you saw them all, right? We got Holy Trinity, MCU Trinity, Ultron, and Black Panther. Let me know what you guys think about these new figures. Let me know some more characters you want me to do, and we'll see y'all in the next one.